Now you've had 3 practice sessions recently. What are you doing when you're practicing? I know we've talked about that. What are you doing while you're practicing? What are you working on? Because I see a lot of people up here at the range. It's almost like artillery fire. They're just here to hit golf balls. They don't worry about distance. They don't worry about shape of shot. They worry about none of that. So what do you do while you're practicing?
Biggest thing I work on is direction. I want to try to get the ball going and where I want it to then, and following through with it nice and smooth.
Okay. Chuck?
I try to swing easy enough that I don't knock myself off balance. And come over the top. I'm not trying to hit the longest shot I can hit all the time on the range. I'm just trying to stay balanced.
Okay. Tommy?
Mine has been grip. Grip and swing plane are the 2 things that I work on the most, because that, from what you're telling me, is my 2 biggest problems.
No, but I mean, that's
my
working
grip.
on your issues. That's
And
good.
I tell you, the more I'm doing that, the better it feels.
Okay, and
As
the
far as
shots,
getting my hands around,
and the shots are going straighter.
shots are going straighter. I'm not trying to kill the ball off of the
That's okay.
off the range,
Okay.
but they are going straighter, which means they're going further.
Okay.
So, and I'm feeling more comfortable with it.
Good. Chris?
I guess kind of same as Tommy. I mean, I suffered from the slice. The big thing is working on the grip and the takeaway. And fortunately through that, when I see where the ball is going, it's going at the target and straight. So
Good.
it's improving.
The things I like to do when I practice, I try and think of golf numbers on the golf course. First hole, prayer, 95-yard, par 4, fairly straight bumpers in the way out. Hit my driver. I think, if I'm normally 80, 90 yards out, whatever it is. So I'll hit my driver, and then I try and think about my second shot. What am I going to hit with my second shot? And I'll pick an intermediate target for the yardage that I may need. If it's 80 or 85 yards, I'll pick a target out here in that same kind of distance and try and hit that club to that target.
Simulating golf holes.
Simulating the golf holes while you're on the range. Because the worst thing I see with a lot of folks, they're on the range, it's like just hitting balls, hitting balls, hitting balls. Make practice fun. Nobody wants to practice just hitting balls. You get tired, your back hurts and all that. Try and practice with a purpose. If you do that, it makes practice a little bit more enjoyable. Think about what you're doing. I mean, I can stand here and say, okay, I'm playing hole number 15. I'm hitting my drive down the left side of the fairway. I just want to be off the left and away from the woods. I'm taking my 3-wood or 5-wood, whatever I may need at that particular time, and that's the club I'm going to hit.
I'm hitting a pitching wedge down near the water,
Well,
and I'm going over.
that's okay, but you're playing the hole
Right.
to your ability. Now, it's rare that I lay up on 15, you know that, but just play whatever shot you think you need to play the hole.